Today I am discussing about Arduino rolling ball kitchen timer. As you can see on the computer screen, I have always been fascinated by rolling ball clocks, and when I saw JVV Creative's rolling ball experiments demo, I just had to build it on working project. This is a journal kitchen timer and uses a 3D printer rolling ball escapement. From the original rolling ball escapement was driven by a weight and spring pulling out a ratchet gear. I have replaced the weight and the system by giving the weight of spring pulling on a wrencher gear. I have replaced the weight with the stepper and motor controlled by an Arduino Nano. Time remaining is displayed on an 8 to 10 7 digits with the similar system and display along with the functions. The timer sound is provided by a JQ9500 sound module that can play any MP3 sound files as a timer art designed to be a wall and mounted but not be used in the countertop and if attached to heavily base for the example supplies. As you can see on the computer screen, step 1, general information. The original escapement above the power is right way and the weight is a nice demo of a rolling ball and movement can be purchased here, and I decided to give the escapements of a practical purpose and a build timer using the escapements controlled by an Arduino Nano. I have removed the weight and driven part of the escapement by using the system and replacement with 200 stepper motor and ULN stepper motor in the system. The two triggers that lock the ball track is placed until realized in the bag and ball bearing the modified of the system. As we can see in the system, this allows the throttling of the ball track of the control system of the stepper motor only by using the combination of speed and acceleration of the stepper motor. I was able to get a 5-second ball bearing travel across the ball track designed by the general kitchen timer, but I used mainly myself. Is very good and easy to use. The seven step is traditionally would have a sheet of green paper and prefers to the match of the LED color placed of the system over the top of the display. This was designed to hide the light segments of the white contrast the LED segments that are on. There are used natural and neutral destiny, heat-proof dimming, and dimming transparent accelerate sheet, but a dark gray would be fine. This side hides the note is light LED segments and provides the contrast needing in bright conditions. It has the advantages of to work in all across LEDs, as you can see on the computer screen, and with the help of this you can use the standard display is decimal points of the system, and as you can see in the computer screen, when the display is on visible section is now a display icon modified by the system.